Hi everyone, welcome to today's YouTube video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable offline Gmail in the Google Workspace Admin Console. But before we dive into that, let me explain what offline Gmail is and the benefits it brings. Offline Gmail is a feature that allows users to access and manage their emails even without an internet connection. This means uninterrupted productivity and efficient email management, regardless of whether you have an internet connection or not. Now let's explore the benefits, setup process, and key features of offline Gmail in Google Workspace. First, we need to sign into your Google Workspace Admin Console. Now I am going to enter my Google Workspace Admin Console. You can simply open your Google Workspace Admin Console using this URL admin.google.com. Now I'm going to enter my Google Workspace admin credentials. Once you are in the admin console, you can navigate to the app section. Then you can click on this Google Workspace option. Then you can click on this Gmail. From this Gmail, you can click on this user settings. Then we need to just scroll down this settings. Then you can click on this Gmail web offline. You will see the option labeled enable Gmail web offline. Now you can click on this checkbox. Then you can save this option. By enabling offline Gmail in the Google Admin Console, you are allowing users to enable it their own Gmail settings. Now that you have enabled offline Gmail, let's talk about how it can be a game changer for individuals and businesses that rely heavily on email communication. This feature ensures an uninterrupted access to your emails, empowering you to manage your inbox even when you are offline. Whether you are traveling, facing internet connectivity issues, or simply prefer to work offline Gmail keeps you connected and in control of your email workflow. By following the simple step process I just explained and exploring its key features, you can harness the full potential of offline Gmail and unlock a new level of productivity in your daily email routine. It truly is a fantastic tool you have at your disposal. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching our video.